Rivers. New CP visit inspect local government secretariat amidst tight security. The new Commissioner of Police in Rivers State, Mustapha Bala, on Wednesday embarked on inspection visits to some local government council secretariats, which were affected by Monday's violence in the state. The inspection took place after a meeting with Chijioke Inuwo at the Obio Akwo Council, Rumu Odumaya. He also visited Emo Ua to see the destruction for himself, after which he visited Isiokpo in Ikwere local government area, as well as Eleme local government area. Bala was seen flanked by both unarmed civilians and armed security operatives as he walked around inspecting some of the secretariats. The development comes after highly reported political violence and tension in the state. Violent clashes erupted in at least 4 local government areas, with part of the buildings in Eleme, Ikwere, and Emowa council premises, while gunshots fired sporadically in Aoda East to resist the new council officials. Recall that Fubara swore in 23 newly elected local government chairmen in Rivers State on Sunday, in which some of the local government bosses were attacked upon assumption of office on Monday. The burning of local government secretariats followed the withdrawal of police officers, securing the 23 local government secretariats by the Commissioner of Police.
Of the situation on ground so far and what had happened to those areas mentioned, and we are taking actions. And we have embarked on full-scale investigation. We have set up a high-powered investigation team under the supervision of the DCCID to be assisted by the Assistant Commissioner of Police CID. We have seasoned officers who are going to investigate the case thoroughly, and subsequently we will submit our report to the Inspector General of Police.
Following the attacks, the Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara vowed to take decisive action against those responsible for setting ablaze 3 local government secretariats. He pledged that the incident, unlike previous cases, will not be ignored. Stay tuned for more breaking news and exclusive content from NaijaNews TV.